Hello, my friends, how are you? Do you remember that we did that activity here? Today we are going to practice just the vocabulary, okay? Let's go and repeat after me, okay? Gift, gift, okay? Gift. Plates, plates. Forks, forks. Birthday hat, birthday hat. Remember to put your tongue between your teeth. Birthday. Balloons, balloons. Invitation. Cups, cups. Goodie bags, goodie bags. And this purple one that cover the table is a tablecloth. See the tongue again? Tablecloth. Practice the vocabulary. Okay, that's the best way we can improve our skills. Bye bye, my friends. Have a beautiful day.